This person is making $44,000 a month, and this one is making $16,000. And there are many others making thousands a month by selling basic cell phone cases. And with the release of the new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro that just came out this month, and over 7 million people currently searching for this on Google, today I'm about to show you an easy and free way that you can create and sell iPhone 15 phone cases. And we're going to be using AI to do most of the work. On top of that, we'll be automating this thing, which means it's going to be even less work for you. This is about to be a major opportunity for many people, so you won't want to miss this. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So we're about to get straight to work, and before we start selling anything, we need to first look at a few designs to figure out what's working right now. And some of the highest selling phone cases are those that have floral designs. This design right here makes about $5,000 a month, and it has brought in over $139,000. That's with one product. And we have another type of pattern that is doing really well. This one has brought in about $4,000 a month. This particular one has brought in about a total of $4,000. But I wanted to show you this because I wanted you to see that phone cases are really a hot item to sell. And let me give you another quick way to find the best type of phone cases that are selling, and that's by using ChatGPT, which you can make a free account, and we'll go over here and just ask them to give me the top 10 iPhone case design ideas. And this is the list right here. It pretty much confirms a lot of things that we were seeing. I told you floral designs. They have pressed flowers on here. Another big one that I didn't mention is retro designs, as well as minimalistic type of designs. Speaking of design, let's go ahead and get ready to start working on our phone cases. And we're going to be using a print-on-demand company like Printify, and they are going to provide white label items like the blank phone cases that we'll need to add our designs to. They also have a ton of other items as well, like t-shirts, socks, bags. They have all kinds of other electronics that you can do as well. So what that means is once you design and create your products, and once they find your products and they purchase it, and Printify will then print the item and ship it to the customer, which means you don't have to worry about having inventory, and you don't have to worry about printing labels and shipping anything out. And later I'm going to be giving you other places that you should be connecting your store to and selling your items on, because it's going to help get you before more people, and that means more money in your pocket. But we are going to start this design process by creating a free account with Printify, and after that I'm going to go to this catalog and I'm going to search for phone cases, and when it comes up you can pick the best one you like. I'm just going to go with the best seller here. And once we get to this screen, what's so great about Printify is you're going to find everything you need in here. We are going to be creating the designs for our phone cases right here in Printify. And we'll do that by going over here to this AI image generator, and you just have to give it some prompts that you want it to do, like what type of design you are interested in it creating. And I'm going to ask it to create something that's aesthetic, earth tone, watercolor, and minimalistic. And after it thinks about it, it's going to come up with a design, and I like this one right here. It looks like a good design for a phone case. So I'm just going to select it and stretch it to make it fit the entire phone. And at this point, you are pretty much done with your first design. I told you this is going to be really easy and simple. And you can hit that preview button so that you can get a chance to look at it from different angles. Make sure you are liking what you see. But one thing I want to show you, in order to increase the amount of money that you can make, your earning potential, you want to create this design for many different types of iPhone. So we'll just go back to edit and we'll choose phone models. And this is where you'll see all of the different models that you can select. These are going to be specifically for iPhones 15, 14, 13. Really, I suggest you doing all of them because again, that's going to increase the amount of sales that you can get. And when you select these models, you want to click each of these and make sure that that picture actually fits the entire screen, because you know some phones are bigger than others, some of them have different designs, so you want to make sure that you stretch them all out and make them fit. And just to show you, if you want to add variations other than the iPhone, you can just come up here to product variations and you'll scroll down and you can hit some of these other people names that I'm not going to mention right here. And after that, you can just save it, give it a name, and then you can move on to the next product. And I definitely suggest that you create multiple designs. And to show you how quick and easy it is, we are going to create another one. And I'm going to go back over to that AI image generator and just type in elegant dried pressed flowers. Remember, pressed flowers was one that works on black background. And look at how beautiful this one is. This is probably one that I will order myself. And when you are doing different colors, you can come over here to change the background of the phone itself. And when it comes to this picture, I am going to duplicate it, because if you stretch this one out, it is going to decrease the resolution of it, and we want to make sure we give good quality. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the design process. Now, like everyone always say, making the phones themselves, designing it is the easy part, but selling it is where people run into some issues. But I'm going to give you the top places that I recommend that you start selling these phone cases, and you want to try to put it on more than one platform, because again, that's going to give you more exposure. Now, of course, when it comes to selling these phone cases, if you are just starting out, I definitely suggest you using a platform that already has a built-in customer base. Now, of course, Etsy, we have talked about this many times before, but Etsy has a customer base of 462 million people that come there and shop every single month. And of course, when it comes to making sure they find your product, you have to use the right keywords that these people are searching for. And again, you can use ChatGPT to ask you to come up with the right title for your product, which will help to get it again before more people. You can ask it to help you to write a good description that's going to have good keywords in there. That'll also help Etsy to get your products to the right people. Now, I've talked about this many times before about how to set it up and everything. I don't want to go too deep into this, so I'm going to put the link to a few videos where we've already talked about Etsy before and how to connect and set it up. Is going to be down in the description. And with Etsy, I have a link down below that you can use to get 40 free listings, because every listing you upload onto Etsy will cost 40 cents, but that link will give you 40 of them for free. But one place that we have not talked about that you can start selling this, and this is going to be huge specifically for small businesses. This is going to be huge for people that are just starting out. And what I am talking about is TikTok Shop. Now, don't let that name TikTok fool you. I'm telling you, people are making thousands of dollars a month by selling on TikTok. And the thing about TikTok, they actually have a global reach, which means this is going to put your products before a whole lot of people. In fact, that hashtag TikTok made me buy it has over 47 billion views. And the algorithm has definitely been on the people's side, okay? They are pushing out a lot of videos, a lot of new people. And another, yet again, amazing thing about TikTok Shop is that you can join and start selling via shoppable videos or lives, even with a new TikTok account. So at one point you used to have like 1,000 followers, but they have completely removed that. You can go and create an account right now and you can start selling. And the reason I'm telling you about this one is because people are always asking of other places other than Etsy that they can go and sell their products, and this is a really good one. And it's very easy to complete the application, and you'll have to create a TikTok seller account. You'll come back over here to Printify and you will connect it. But you will have to create videos of your products or go live, and you can put the links in those videos, and when a person clicks on it, it will take them directly to the product that they're trying to buy. And once they make that purchase, that's when Printify will print it and ship it to them. Again, automated process. You'll just have to continue to find the right products to create them, and then connect them. Now, I hope this has helped you out. I wanted to give you enough information to at least get the ball rolling. Again, if you want more in-depth information about any of these different platforms that I talked about, make sure you comment down below and let me know. I definitely suggest trying out TikTok, y'all. I talked a lot about Etsy, but TikTok is honestly also where it's at. But if you have not liked this video, please do so for me. Other than that, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out. Peace.